Hello dear students. So today we will solve some problems. The first problem, an object is placed at a distance 40 centimeter on the principal axis of a concave mirror of a radius of a curvature 30 centimeter by how much does the image move if the object is shifted towards the mirror through 15 centimeter. Okay, so first one is an object is placed at a distance 40 centimeter on the principal axis of a concave mirror. Okay, so here we consider that this one is a concave mirror. And a principal axis. Okay, so here object placed at a distance 40 centimeter, it means object distance we consider that a 40 centimeter, it means u is equal to 40 centimeter from a concave mirror. Next, radius of a curvature 30 centimeter. So radius of curvature 30 centimeter. Okay, so here we consider that the center of a curvature C and in between distance R is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, so radius of curvature is 30 centimeter. It means, so here focal length. So focal length value is 15 centimeter. So this one we consider that concave mirror. So concave mirror means so here focal length it is negative s. Okay, next one, how much does the image move if the object is shifted towards the mirror through 15 centimeter? Yes, so first we want to find out image distance of a object position. So object position of 40 centimeter. Okay, so in a 40 centimeter object distance, so here we want to find out the image distance. Then afterwards, so object is shifted towards the mirror, so that one is 15 centimeter. Yes, so first so here we want to calculate object image distance. So here given data, so first one is object distance u is equal to so minus 40 centimeter, u is equal to minus 40 centimeter, and here radius of a curvature r is equal to, already given that 30 centimeter, so this one is a negative. Yes, when r is equal to 30 centimeter, it means a focal length f. So that's one we consider that a minus 15 centimeter. Yes, so here we consider that mirror formula. Why? Because so here we want to find out the image of the object. So this reason here I will take a direct formula. 1 by v is equal to 1 by f plus minus 1 by u. Why? Because 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So that's one is a formula. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. Okay, so here 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. So 1 by f means 1 divided by minus 15. So minus 1 by u, object distance minus 40. Yes, so this reason here minus into minus, so minus into minus plus. So that's the reason 1 divided by 40 is 1 divided by minus 15 plus 1 divided by 40. It means also here we consider that LCM is 120 into 8 and into 3. It means minus 8 plus 3. 5 minus 5 and here 120 is minus 5 divided by 120. It means 24, it means here V is equal to, so V is equal to, so V is equal to, it means 1 by V value minus 1 by 24. So this reason, so we consider that minus 24 centimeter. It means image distance is minus 24 centimeter and object distance here we consider that minus 40 centimeter. Okay, so somewhere we will get the image here. Why? Because so this distance we consider that minus 24 centimeter. Okay, so image we consider that this one is a real image, real and inverted image. So next one, in a second case, by how much does the image move if the object is shifted towards the mirror? Okay, so this object is shifted towards the mirror. Object shifted towards the mirror. It means object distance decreases. Why? Because it is moved towards the mirror. When object move towards the mirror, then what happens? So image moves away from the mirror. It means object distance decreases, image distance goes on increases. Okay, so this reason object shifted towards the mirror. Okay, so here in the second case, so this one is the first case, case 1, and this one is a case 2. Okay, so object is shifted towards the mirror. Object is shifted towards the mirror through 15 centimeter. Through 15 centimeter. Okay, so this object shifted towards the mirror through 15 centimeter. It means, so here we consider that a object. For example, so this one is a object. So initially, so this one is object position. When it start to shifted towards the mirror, it means object distance decreases. So here we want to find out image distance. Why here we consider we want to find out image distance? Because so object position initially we consider that 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter is object distance. Then image distance is minus 24 centimeter. And the next one, so object shifted towards the mirror. Okay, so here first we want to find out object distance, then afterwards image distance, and we just comparison between initial image and after image. Yes, so afterwards we will get a maximum distance of image. Why? Because object shifted towards the mirror. Yes. Okay, so here, so first we want to find out object distance. So this reason, so object distance u is equal to, so 40 minus 15. 40 minus 15. Why here we consider that a minus 15? Because so object shifted towards the mirror. So this distance we consider that 15 centimeter. Okay, so this reason here we consider that 25 centimeter. Yes, so this one is a negative order. Why? Because so this one is object distance. It is present in front of a mirror. Okay, next one, so here focal length. So focal length remains the same. Yes, so f is equal to centimeter. Okay, so here image distance 1 by v is equal to, so 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. So 1 by u, it means 1 divided by f value minus 15, and here object distance minus 25, minus into minus is minus into minus, it means plus. Okay, so 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by 25, it means so here we get So 75. 75, it means 2 divided by 75. Okay. So 2 divided by 75, its value minus 37.5 centimeter is okay. So here we get the image V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. So first image we consider that minus 24 centimeter, and the second image when object shifted towards the mirror. So here we will get a image distance value V is equal to minus 37.5 centimeter. Okay, so this one we consider that V, and this one is a V dash. Okay, after shifting object towards the mirror, then image position is a minus 37.5 centimeter. Okay, so here initially 24. So this one is a image when object placed at 40 centimeter away from the mirror. So this one is a image. Okay, so image distance how much? 24 centimeter. Afterwards, when object shifted towards the mirror, so here we will get image distance 37.5. Okay, sorry, somewhere here. So this distance 37.5. So that's way initially, so this one is the image. After shifting of object, then what happened? Image is also shifted away from the mirror. Image shift, we want to find out a shifted distance of a image. Okay, so here distance through which the image shift. So that's when we consider that V is equal to, suppose so this one is a V1 and naming. Okay, so V dash, it means here V dash minus V1. V dash minus V1. It means V dash minus 37.5 V1 minus 24 centimeter. So minus into minus, it means so plus, then we get a 13.5 centimeter. Okay, so in between distance is 13.5 centimeter initially. So this one is a image position, and finally it means when object is shifted towards the mirror, then image is also shifted, and in between distance we consider that 13.5 centimeter. Okay, so next problem, an object is placed exactly midway between a concave mirror of a radius of a curvature 40 centimeter and a convex mirror of a radius of curvature 30 centimeter. The mirrors face each other and are 50 centimeter apart. Determine the nature and the position of the image formed by successive reflections, first at the concave mirror, then at the convex mirror. Okay, so here object is placed exactly midway between the concave mirror of a radius of a curvature 40 centimeter. Okay, so here we consider that so this one is a concave mirror, and its radius of a curvature is 40 centimeter. And here another one mirror is there, so that one is a convex mirror of a radius curvature 30 centimeter. So mirror faces each other. It means, so this one we consider that concave mirror, and here we consider that convex mirror is concave mirror, and this one is a convex mirror, and its a radius of curvature 40 centimeter, and this one is a 30 centimeter. Yes, and in between distance, so in between distance we consider that 50 centimeter. Yes, so this reason here we consider that so this one is convex mirror, concave mirror and a convex mirror, and in between distance 50 centimeter. Why? Because already given that in between distance is 50 centimeter. Okay, and here object position is, object is placed exactly midway between the concave mirror of a radius of a curvature. Is okay, exact middle we consider that object, exact middle of two mirrors. It means object distance is 25 centimeter, object distance 25 centimeter. Is why this distance, object distance we consider that 25, so this object is placed exact middle of two mirrors. So this reason this object distance we consider that 25 centimeter. So this one is the object distance. Okay, so here another one is the radius of curvature of a concave mirror. So radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 40 centimeter. Okay, so this radius of a curvature we consider that 40 centimeter. Yes, so this one is C. Yes, and so this one is object here. Yes sir, so this one is a C. It means a radius of a curvature, so given that already, so that one is a 40 centimeter. Okay, so 40 centimeter, and here we consider that this one is a object A and a B. So this one is a object. So next one, here we want to find out image distance. Why? Because already given that determine the nature and the position of the image formed by successively reflection, first at the concave mirror, then at the convex mirror. Okay, so first we consider that a concave mirror. For concave mirror, so here we want to find out a image distance. Okay, so first one, for concave mirror. Okay, so this one is the first case for concave mirror. Okay, in concave mirrors, so here object distance u is equal to, so this distance, in between distance for 25 centimeter, it means minus 25 centimeter, and focal length, so focal length means so radius of curvature is 40 centimeter, it means a focal length f is equal to minus 20 centimeter. And the next one, so here we want to find out a image, v is equal to question mark. So image v is equal to question mark, it means so here we consider that mirror equation, so 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u, is 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by, so f means minus 20 centimeter, is sorry for disturbance, 1 by v is equal to 1 divided by f value minus 20 centimeter. So minus object distance minus 25. So this reason, so 1 divided by minus 25, so minus into minus, so this one is a plus. Okay, so this one is a focal length and this one we consider that a object distance. So this reason here after simplification we will get 1 divided by hundred is minus 1 divided by 100. It means image distance we consider that minus 100 centimeter. So image distance for a concave mirror, so that one is 100 centimeter. Okay, so in between distance is 50 centimeter, but here we get image distance is 100 centimeter. It means, so this one is incident ray is, and here so this light ray is reflected. So reflected means so here 40 is there, it means exact 20. So focal length 20 centimeter is a focal length. So this light ray is reflected as if I extend this reflected light ray. Another one, if you draw normal, okay, so these two light rays meeting at this point, so here we get a image. Okay, so this one is A dash and this one is a B dash. Okay, so A dash and a B dash we consider that a image for a concave mirror. For a concave mirror. Okay, so this distance 100 centimeter is, so distance between concave mirror and image, in between distance 100 centimeter. Next one, and this one is a real and a inverted and enlarged image. Another one, it means a magnified image. Another one image, it means successively reflection first at the concave mirror, then at the convex mirror. So convex mirror, okay, so here we consider that a convex mirror. Okay, so already we will find out image for a concave mirror, then afterwards we want to find out image for a convex mirror. Okay, so here object we consider that 100 centimeter. So this one is a convex mirror is placed exact 50 centimeter from the concave mirror. So this reason, so this image we consider that virtual object of a convex mirror. So this image we consider that virtual object for a convex mirror is, so this reason exact 50 centimeter convex mirror is there. So this reason object distance we consider that 50 centimeter is, so this one is a image formed by the concave mirror. So this image is a virtual object of a convex mirror is, so this object is present in this side is, suppose we don't consider that this mirror, so here we will get an image. We consider that this one is a mirror, it means in this position we consider that a mirror. It means so here we consider that image. So this image is a virtual object for a convex mirror. So this reason here for convex mirror, so this one is second case for a convex mirror, object distance, so 100 minus 50 Why? Because so total distance 100, already exact half of a distance we consider that a convex mirror. So this reason here object distance we consider that a 50. So this one is a positive. Why? Because image is present in this side. Okay, so 50 centimeter. Next one, focal length. So focal length. So here radius of a curvature. So radius of curvature of a convex mirror is a 30 centimeter. It means a focal length f is equal to r by 2. R by 2 means a 15 centimeter. So this is also positive. Why? Because so this one is a convex mirror. So that's why here 1 by V is equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So this reason 1 by V is equal to 1 by F. So 1 by F means so here we consider that 15. So that's one is a positive, minus 1 by U. So 1 by U means it means object distance. So object distance is 50 centimeter. But here we consider that so this one is minus 50. So object distance is a positive. Why? Because object present in this side. Okay. So here 1 divided by 15 minus 1 divided by 50. It means LCM is 157. Okay. So here 7 divided by so 150. Okay, 7 divided by 150. It means 21.43. 21.43 centimeter. Okay, so 21.43. So this one we consider that positive image distance. We consider that positive. Yes. Why? Because so here so this one is a concave mirror. Yes. So this reason here we get a image. So this one is a positive. Okay. So first concave mirror image is a minus 100 centimeter. Image distance 100 centimeter. And this image is so this image we consider that V is equal to 21.43 centimeter. So 21.43 centimeter. It means so this light rays are reflected in this direction. Yes. If you extend this one, and here we get a image. Okay, so this image we consider that so this one is a if you consider that this one is a object for a concave mirror, so this one is a image for a concave mirror, and this image we consider that a virtual object for convex mirror, and so this one we consider that image for a convex mirror. Okay. Okay, so our next problem, an object placed at a distance of 36 centimeter from a convex mirror. Okay, so here we consider that a convex mirror and a principal axis. Okay, so object placed at a distance 36 centimeter. Okay, 36 centimeter from a concave mirror. Okay, so this one is the object position. So this distance from a convex mirror. So this one is a 36 centimeter. A plane mirror placed in between so that the two virtual image so form coincide. It means so here one plane mirror is placed in front of this convex mirror. Okay, so plane mirror is placed a convex mirror. So distance of this mirror is 24 centimeter. Distance of a mirror is 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter from a object. So mirror distance is 24 centimeter. Suppose here we consider that this one is a plane mirror. Okay, and it's a distance from a object. So that's one is a 24 centimeter. Okay, so 24 means a remaining distance. So this one is a 12 centimeter. Okay. And here we will get a virtual image. So this virtual image, it means one image is formed by plane mirror, another one is formed by the help of a convex mirror. Total here we get two image, but these two image are coincide. It means so here we will get two image. So this one is one image and coincide with another image. It means overlap with another image. So this reason, so here we consider that one single image. Okay, somewhere we will get a image. Okay, next one. Find the radius of curvature of a convex mirror. Okay, so here we want to calculate a radius of curvature of this convex mirror. Okay, so here suppose so this one is incident ray and reflected light ray. If I extend this one and somewhere we will get the image. Okay, so here we get the image. So this image we consider that I. And here, so this one is incident ray and here we consider that a reflected ray. Again, if you extend and here we get the image, it means image. So these two virtual images coincide. So one image formed by the help of a mirror, another image is formed by the help of a convex mirror. Okay, so these two images are coincide. You already know that in a plane mirror, suppose so this one is plane mirror, so this one is object. So object placed suppose here 24 centimeter. Distance of object from a mirror, so that's one is the 24 centimeter, and image distance also 24 centimeter. Yes, object distance is equal to the image distance. The same way, so object and mirror distance is 24, and here from the mirror, from the plane mirror to image distance, so that's one is also 24. So this reason already 12 centimeter is there, and here to image distance, so this one is the 12 centimeter. Why? Because so this one is also 24 centimeter, because so this one is a plane mirror. Okay, it means we will get image distance 12 centimeter from a convex mirror, Okay, so here we want to find out a radius of a curvature. Okay, so radius of a curvature for a convex mirror. So this reason here the first one, so object distance. So object distance U is equal to, okay, object O, and this one is a point P, and here we consider that mirror, and this one is a image, and suppose so this one we consider that center of curvature is, we want to find out R value, radius of curvature value. Okay, so here object distance is, so distance between point P to O is equal to, so total distance 36 centimeter. So total distance, so 36 centimeter. And next one, image. So image distance V is equal to Pi. So this one we consider that a 12 centimeter. So that's one is a positive. Why? Because virtual image is there and image form beyond the mirror. Okay. So next one, we want to calculate first focal length of this convex mirror. So this reason our formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v is 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by u, so 1 by u is a 36 centimeter, and here image distance 1 divided by 12 centimeter is okay. So LCM 36, LCM 36, so this one is a negative, it means 1, and here 36 12 into 3, okay, so minus 1 plus 3, it means minus 1 plus 3 means 2 divided by 36, okay, 2 divided by 36, it means 1 divided by 18 is 1 divided by 18, 1 by f. Okay, so focal length we consider that f is equal to 18 centimeter. So focal length f is equal to 18 centimeter. It means radius of curvature, it means 2 times of focal length is r is equal to 2 times of focal length. So this reason 2 into 18, so 2 into 18, so that's one is a 36. Okay, so 36 centimeter, 36 centimeter. Okay, so this radius of curvature 36 centimeter.